guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is quiche. It is a simple quiche, nothing too fancy, just cheese and onion. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! To make the skin, this is 1.5 cup all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of sugar and a generous pinch of salt. Let's say about half teaspoon, and just mix it. And then we're gonna pour half cup of peanut oil and 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. If you have milk, just use milk is fine, water is fine, but I want to use up the heavy cream, so about 2 tablespoons. And for the oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil you like, canola, vegetable oil, olive oil, but I like using peanut oil until it form a nice dough. Then we're gonna press them onto our cupcake pan. You can use mini and make mini quiche, but this is the regular size. You can directly press it onto the pan, or you can use a wrapper paper. I'll grab a little bit of dough, place it on the wrapper, and just press it bottom and side up, so you're making a crust. The reason I'm using cupcake wrapper because they are for school, so to be packed for my son's lunch bag, so I use wrapper paper. But you don't have to, you can directly press onto your cupcake pan or quiche Lorraine regular size pan or mini cupcake pan. I have here is 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're gonna melt it in microwave. Take a bunch of green onion and just slice them thinly like this. Now for the middle part, this is 3 eggs. We're just gonna whisk it, and then we're gonna season it with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt and garlic powder. Now pour in the melted butter. And then half cup heavy cream. You can use 1 cup heavy cream or half cup heavy cream and half cup of milk. Just mix it. And then green onion, the sliced green onion. I may have forgotten pinch of nutmeg, so again that's garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and nutmeg. And then grate some pizza mozzarella cheese. This is Cracker Barrel, from Cracker Barrel, so you want as generous as you like. About 1/2 to 1 cup of grated cheese. Now we're gonna mix this cheese into the bowl as well. Now this mixture is ready to be poured on top of our prepared crust. Repeat step until everything is used up, like so. This recipe makes 9 regular cupcake size of quiche, and we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes.